Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to add pictures to Trello cards. If you are new to Trello and you have to use it for your work to track and manage tasks, don't worry, I am here to teach you things about Trello. But in this video, we are going to focus on how to add pictures to your Trello cards. Now, to do that with your mobile phones, the first thing we want to do is open Trello on our browser, or we can simply install the Trello app on our phone to make things a lot easier. So if you don't have one installed on your phone, I suggest that you download it right now. I already have it installed on my phone, but before we launch the app, please don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can be notified whenever there are new videos, updates, and other content from our channel. Thank you so much for your support. So now let us open the Trello app. Alright, now as I have said, I am going to teach you how to add pictures to your Trello cards. First of all, in order to add pictures to Trello cards, we have to have a board. And inside that board, there should be a card. Let me show it to you. This is what we call a board. And these rectangles are what we call the cards. If you still don't have a card, all you have to do is tap add card, rename it, and there you go. You successfully created a card. Now, in order to add pictures to the Trello card, what we want to do is tap the existing card. Remember to tap the card that you want to put the picture into. Okay, after tapping the card, we will see different buttons. To add pictures to this Trello card, the next thing we want to do is tap Add Attachments. This will allow us to select pictures from our phone album or take a photo. To select photos from our phone gallery, what we want to select is File. So after that, just select the photo that you want to add, and we are done. But remember that huge file sizes will not be accepted. So make sure that those photos that you are using passes the limit. And as we can see, we have successfully added a picture on the Trello card. And that is how to add pictures to your Trello cards. If you found this video helpful, then please share it to your friends so we can help them too. And as always, thank you for watching.